Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to zip or unzip files on Windows laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first, if you want to zip file or zip a file, all you have to do is to select those files that you want to zip. Select all, right click, scroll down, go to send to, and then you should see this compressed or zip folder right here. Once done, you should see the zip file. So I'm going to show you the zip file right here. This is what it looks like. If you double tap this or double click, you will see all the information of this zip file, including videos and photos. However, there are some zip files that you need to extract first in order for you to get all files inside. So just right click and select your preferred option here. Then you can also select a location. If you want to save this to your desktop or download, tap OK, extracting. Now you should see the folder type. When you double click, you will see all files in this folder. However, if you have downloaded a file, which is a zip file, and you want to unzip this, so go to downloads and then right click the zip file right here, do the same thing. Just right click, extract files. Okay, select from any of the option, also the location, tap OK, and then it's now extracting. You should see the folder right away. If you refresh, this is it. And you should see the file or files inside this folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.